This is the Leatherman Wingman. Weighing in at a hefty 7 ounces with a $30 price tag, the Leatherman Wingman is highly recommended by outdoorsmen for its all stainless steel construction, which means that it can handle most outdoors or many extreme environments. The 2.6-inch 420 high carbon stainless steel blade sports a combo edge that is accessible on the outside of the Wingman. The flat edge has a point for piercing objects and is great for slicing wood or other materials. The serrated edge aids in sawing through difficult materials such as nylon ropes, plastic, or rubbers. The stainless steel scissors are a great addition for any quick precision cuts you might need to make. I found they easily cut through 3 pieces of paper that I folded several times. That equals 24 sheets of paper. The scissors could easily cut through clothing or other heavy-duty materials. The stainless steel pocket clip is an excellent addition. It makes taking the Wingman in and out of your pocket extremely easy and accessible. The pliers have a spring-action suspension that makes using them one-handed a breeze. The pliers are also excellently crafted and make it extremely easy to get into those tight, hard-to-reach places. The hard wire cutters are pretty good at cutting through even the most basic electrical wire. I have found the can opener works extremely well at opening cans, ironically, and the wire stripper does a sufficient job at removing the sheathing from electrical wire. The ruler measures 1.5 inches or 3.8 centimeters, a useful tool to have on the fly. The small screwdriver is great for those awkward flat screws you find in your everyday household. And guess what? The wooden metal file is extremely effective in removing material. The most interesting tool I found was the package opener. Its all stainless steel design and razor sharp wedge make even the most stubborn packages a breeze to open. I believe that this tool could also be used in place of a seatbelt cutter to help slice through nylon webbing. The large screwdriver makes a really great paint can opener as well as just being a flathead screwdriver. The Phillips head screwdriver is great for on-the-fly screw tightening around the house and office or even the homestead. The holes located on the lower portion of the handles, they're great for lanyard loops made out of 550 cord. My final thoughts on the Leatherman Wingman is that it's an excellent tool. Although it weighs 7 heavy ounces, its $30 price tag and lower end model design make it relatively inexpensive multi-tool to carry for an EDC purpose. Its 1,000 uses around the house make it worth more than the $30 you pay for it. Thumbs up, in other words. Well guys, that's all I have for today. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Remember, unplug and go outdoors. I'm Gearaholic, signing out.